How to remove these silent portions in Audacity automatically. Hi everyone, my name is Saad, and in this video we are going to see that if you have recorded a clip and it has some silent parts within the whole clip, how we can easily remove this automatically in Audacity. So let's see. So first of all, what you need to do is to select the whole clip, and then you can just go to the effect and go to the special area and click on truncate silence. Now you need to decide how much detect silence threshold would be and how much silence is the average duration. Let's say 2 seconds, 1 second, whatever. So if it is a 1 second silence, it will automatically delete that, and these are all the default settings. So let's keep it default and let's see what is the effect of it. As you can see, we have the space or silent part in the starting and in the middle and then at the end. So let's apply this, and you can see that how it removed all the extra parts easily in Audacity clip. So that's a pretty straightforward video. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.